boy, go and tell a liar, go and say Deva Bratt bad mind Vybz Kartel money. Deva Bratt would never do that. That brother man does serious and does not go take no disrespect from people like that. You're not gonna do Deva Bratt that and get away. He end up saying to me, say, yo, what name him? I say, Vybz Kartel. So I say, ah! So we are go like you know, say I'm in Vybz Kartel. So I say, yeah, what mean him? You want to say me one buckler? What you want to do? Yo! Yo, give me that thing there, give me that something here.
Yo, Street 2 TV, yo, the UM TV, Tuna represent, see, yeah, that's it, last time passing. Modern vampires of the city, anti-blood, blood.
Sneakers, him a call for you know. I said, brother, what mean him? I'm not scared of that. I'm not scared of that. Remember that teach? When you say, yo, give me the sneakers. Like you would have want to try to do me something. I'm stand up with you and say, you say, yo, dog, build yourself. You name Vybz Kartel, me name Deva Bratt. You have your legacy, me have my legacy. I think that is the night when you realize that you cannot program me. That's the night you realize that you cannot program me. It wasn't about me getting into a legal altercation with the law, girl, or nothing at all. This is the reason. Because the night when you say, give me this matters more address. This brother here when you one whatever. I hope this brother here have him money. Why would you want to take up your money that you're trying to hustle and give it to me? By getting us a lawsuit. Why are you spreading propagandas on Deva Bratt? Tell me now. Where you spread propaganda on Deva Bratt for? I wanted a light-skinned youth with one dreads. The man say, man beat me at jailhouse. Anybody wherever they are jailhouse with Deva Bratt can attest to that. Now I'm gonna show you say Deva Bratt get a fight. I see a big, I don't know what kind of wrecking ball looking brother this. Say man do blogging in name Jamaica Glass House. Big up yourself, road boy. Go and tell a liar, go and say Deva Bratt do all of this and all of that and go and chat. But mind Vybz Kartel money. Deva Bratt would never do that. Okay? So don't spread the propaganda about me I'm mad and this and that. Brother man does serious and does not go take no disrespect from people like that. All I want type negative in the thing. Me not read that, you know. But go and type it. Anyway, I'm not gonna make nobody assassinate my character like that or my career like that. I'm gonna leave and make it go on. No, I have to fight the struggle. You see me? I'm gonna tell you this. People are talking about say, yo, you vex because you can't make figure power with the brother. Power with the brother. Well, when I was powering with him, me never did make no money. Him not make sure so the youth they make money. So don't talk about me want power with nobody. I am happy over here, standing on my own, doing what I know how to do. You see me? Which is be real. Me not use nobody. Me not friend nobody. Me not bad mind nobody. We just have talent, and we you know what I mean? My flamboyant, we just different, as poor as me is. You know what I mean? I'm just me. I'm not gonna be nobody else. I never come into the business to be nobody else. I'm gonna just be me. Yeah, bag of sheeps, bro. I try to narrative out the team to try to conquer Deva Bratt career. It nah go work. I'm unstoppable. That is why them try to do that in the first place. Think about it. Why you think them would have jump up and I say, Deva Bratt is this and Deva Bratt is that, if there wasn't an ulterior motive? You're not a hater of child abusers or this or nothing. You're just trying to do a tarnishing of a name. So anyway, like I said, people, it hurts to know that my name has been dragged like that, and that is what I'm defending. I'm defending that drag. We're going to drag it back out of the drag. You see me, I did it? Because you're not going to do Deva Bratt that and get away. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way, no way. I'm not afraid that you sheeps than them. I'm more powerful than them because look at how much fight me I get. Alright, look at this now, people. I start a company. Let's reason now. I'm not going to hype up myself that time. I'm going to just reason with you now. I'm going to show you the truths and the real things about what's going on. somebody asked me what caused the altercation with me and the fallout of this hombre the other day, which is just when Mr. Spring King, when Spring King go a Beanie Man wedding and the animals said, yeah, go on, I don't wanna say, Adia me daddy, this, that, you know, Deva did a war with I don't know this, that, all these things are going. But there was a time when, the night when Asylum, Busy Signal, Bounty Killer, Bling Dog, the whole alliance they on stage. I mean, they in the building, we come there. Them end up reach up on stage before I and I go there figure get a little vibe. Them reach up on stage. From them reach up on stage, like you now get the microphone. If you not go up there, when them up there. And me and them are not really friend like that, but they know say, I mean, Deva Bratt, and then they don't put more Empire. And they know say me part vybzkartel. So boom now, we go up there. Busy Signal is a youth, I always want kind of test him out, you know. Because him, you know, step out, you know me, that rhythm them, you know what I mean? I always want to chop him up one night time, dog. So I see him, so I say, okay, alright, so we get the opportunity to chop him up. Boom, reach up on the stage, I chat to a tune. In the meantime, I chat my tune. The brother went in Bigger 5, yeah, Bigger 5, Possibility, that Cap Can't Stay Alive. You remember that song there? That night there, the man goes up and push me off for the stage. So him push me off for the stage. In the street, big up yourself, I did it that night there. He pushed me off for the stage. The news come out that, you know, Deva Bratt was hurled off the stage or whatever. You don't know, Bigger 5 impact. Listen up. Bigger 5 is the bodyguard for vybzkartel. When him push me off of the stage, because I'm on them here. So, the Portmore Empire, them here. So they must say now, where you gone up there so far? This is where, after this is the next night now, you know. Or the next night. Because I will reach up a father wrote me. We are all raised him. We reach up there. Teacher said, boy, me here, go on. You're lucky. Them should have killed you to you. You need to take a side. You need to know where you're beside the yard roll when we are roll or you go. I said, teach. You see when you and killer them are doing a show, me couldn't stop you from go performing. And me and killer really have nothing, and me and alliance really not have nothing, you know, it's just that we really don't put more empire with you. So whatever you and them have, or what you and them have. Me have to promote myself right now. Because only one opportunity never get to promote myself. So I'm going to go now and I make the man know say, yo, never go and do what me have to do, you know. The man say, yo bro, anytime me I roll out, you have to roll out when me I roll out, turn in your yard or whatever. I can't do that, brother, because you know, I don't like to teacher if I take up the money and say, yo, see a 20 grand, you see a 10 grand, you see this here. No teacher, you know you never do that to me. You never do that because me always have to take care of the entourage, my entourage plus your entourage. You know what I mean? So you never give me the money. When Deva Bratt wasn't, when Portmore Empire never exists, yes. I'll come to you soon. When Deva Bratt they run a Vendetta, which is Dan Corleone's studio, yeah, you will give me a little 4 grand, a little lunch money and say, yo, one, yo, Deva Bratt, that's correct. See a little $15 here. Want to share up that? Yeah. Because we did that with you through the whole time at the dub plate. That's the only set of money me can remember you give I. See? Then book now, me are the artist in the blood clot yard. Otherwise from you, I Deva Bratt at the next act one. And I do one and kill and you know what I mean? And we are govern the place. So boom now, Deva Bratt now make no money. You now make sure so me get the money. So me have to do the road. To get the money. Whether upon the show them, whether the dog plate them, whatever, me can't stay one place, me can't move just because you want to move or when you want to move. Because you know, I provide for I. So anyway, this is what caused the fallout now. The night, the man I said to himself to take side. He said, no bro, me not going to take no side there for now. Me go and do the road brother and pile drive the thing. Me can't stay in my yard and put my Empire go bus. Me have to lead it out everywhere the event them me have to do it. The man said, bro, what mean him? But I don't know whatever transpired, but he ended up saying to me, say, yo, what mean him? I say, vybzkartel. So he said, ah! So we have go like, you know, say, I mean vybzkartel. And I say, yeah, what mean him? The man said, the bumper claw, what man do? yo, give me that thing there, give me that something there. Sneakers, him a call for you know. I said, brother, when me and him, I'm not scared of that. I'm not scared of that. Remember that teach? When you say, yo, give me the sneakers. Like you would want to try for doing something. I'm stand up with you and say to you, say, yo, dog, build yourself. You name Vybz Kartel, me name Deva Bratt. You have your legacy, me have my legacy. I think that is the night when you realize that you cannot program me. That's the night you realize that you cannot program me. It wasn't about me getting into a legal altercation with the law. Y'all are nothing at all. This is the reason. Because the night when you say, give me the sneakers, to where name there? I think I don't remember which one of them have the sneakers. You don't want the name? I want it from we are one country with the pick up one time. They up there. Bigger 5 is the bodyguard for Vybz Kartel, ex-party of Bounty Killer. So when him push me off of the stage, because I'm on them here. So the Portmore Empire, them here. So they must say now, where you gone up there so far? This is where after this is the next night now, you know. Or the next night. Because I reach up a father wrote me. We are all raised in. Reach up there. Teacher said, boy, me here, go on. You're lucky. Them should have killed you to you. You need to take a side. You need to know where you are beside the yard. When we are roll or you go. I said, teach. You see when you want killer them and don't show, me couldn't stop you from go performing. You know. And me and Killer really have nothing, and me and Alliance really not have nothing, you know, it's just that we are lead out Portmore Empire with you. So whatever you and them have, and what you and them have, me have to promote myself right now. Because only one opportunity me ever get to promote myself. So I'm going to book now, and I make the man know, say, yo, never go and do what me have to do, you know. The man say, yo, bro, anytime me I roll out, you have to roll out when me I roll out, turn in your yard or whatever. I can't do that, brother, because, you know, I don't like to say teacher, if I take up the money and say, yo, see a 20 grand, you see a 10 grand, you see this here. No, teacher, you know you never do that to me. You never do that, because me always have to take care of the entourage, my entourage plus your entourage. You know what I mean? So, you never give me the money. When Deva Bratt wasn't, when Portmore Empire never exists, yes. I'll come to you soon. When Deva Bratt they run a Vendetta, which is Dan Corleone's studio, yeah, you will give me a little 4 grand, a little lunch money and say, yo, one, yo, Deva Bratt, that's correct. See a little $15, I want to share up that. Yeah, because we did that with you through the whole time at the dub plate. That's the only set of money me can remember you give I. See? Then book now, me are the artist in the blood clot yard. Otherwise from you, I Deva Bratt at the next act one. And I do one and kill and, you know what I mean? And we are govern the place. So boom now, Deva Bratt now make no money. You now make sure so me get the money. So me have to do the road. To get the money. Whether I can show them, whether the dog plate them, whatever, me can't stay one place. Me can't move just because you want to move or when you want to move. Because you know, I provide for I. So anyway, this is what caused the fallout now. The night, the man ever said to himself to take side. I said, no bro, I'm not going to take no side there for now, me go program me. It wasn't about me getting into a legal altercation with the law. Y'all are nothing at all. This is the reason. Because the night when you say, give me the sneakers to where name there? I think I don't remember which one of them have the sneakers. You don't want the name? I want it from we are one country with the pick up one time. They up there. I have him I go and gun back out the thing. You ask him say, yo, give me the thing. Like you want to try. You know, you saw that I wasn't intimidated by you, my guy. You know that. And everybody know that. And you couldn't stand that. So it seemed like from that night, you go in yourself and say, no, that you tell make me look small in front of the whole entourage. No, I didn't make you look small. I let you know that you are you and I am I. You are you, my guy, and me am me. Deva Bratt, you are you. Whosoever your name is, you are you. Pick up yourself. I gotta pick up myself. Because me not feel like somebody more than me, dog. So, anybody with I just a fight, I struggle with dog. It's just like, yo, brother, I want the whole I want to reach. All I want in there where I say a bag or something. You figure rich. Don't be here cussing me. Just go get rich, dog. The whole way have to reach. You hear that? So now, one Kevin, Jamaica glass house. You live in a glass house. Don't choose stone. Deva Bratt, alright, Deva Bratt now mad over nobody money. Deva Bratt not traumatized in a certain way that I'm going insane. No, I'm just brave, I'm bad, I'm bold. You hear that? Brave and bad and bold without $1 million. You hear that? So whatever you guys are saying or trying to say to Deva Bratt, yo, it not gonna work. You see me I stop on if I make on a bad comment, it don't faze me. And the brother me I deal with and him know who me is. So all of them there, do a bag of blogging and do a bag of chatting. It not gonna work. I'm gonna go full speed Evans to what I say I'm gonna do, which is rebuild my career, kill who forget killing our music, and have back some riches and govern the thing the way how it's supposed to be. Now, I'm gonna say something to you. When he was asked the question about Deva Bratt, if you do 13 years one place where you could have sit down for a long while and think, you want to tell me that all you were thinking about was Deva Bratt? Because the main thing, not even it a mouth are your main talk. Not even a mouth is a your main talk. Is it a tape are your main talk? Which you're referring to Deva Bratt. Are you I like the promotion. But anyway, when I say to you, say, you couldn't think of a way how Jamaica can be a better place as an intelligent youth. You couldn't think of what the country needs to be a better country. You had the time to think about it. You could have came out, you're an intelligent young man, I know this. You could have came up with a plan when you come out and say, listen to me, Prime Minister, I think this is the way we should go to make the country a better country, to make it safer, more, you know what I mean, everything. You didn't do that. You come out and the first thing you do when you hug up your friend them, you say, it a tape, because you plan it in your heavens, because you know say you come out. And we don't hear say you come out from before. Me they don't know. Never don't know. Remember some in a punk, you know. Everybody. Alright, you see before you got jail dog, before you got jail, before the police then pick you up, me and you know say 4 months, I must say 3 months before them pick you up. We know say you got jail. We know. We did know. Me and you know that. Say you must go to jail because you know, you understand? Anyway, brother, I wish you all the best because I know you're not in the best of health. Go find health and, you know what I mean, go find whatever medicine you need to get back your original self so that you can stand up to a, whether physical or lyrical with Deva Bratt. All them water need something there and I drop down like Joe Biden. I feel like wait more time. Like, is this the right thing to do? Because you can't even jump, you can't record, you can't project properly on stage. So is this the right thing for me to do? But anyway, I don't care if you answer yes or no. Whatever I do with my music, it pleases me. It makes me feel happy if you know say yo, me can lyrically assassinate you. When you what you call it, stigmatizing, assassinate Deva Bratt. That's all you can do. Stigmatize. You cannot lyrically destroy Deva Bratt. Because words, they're there for everybody. I mean, know most of the words them are in our world. So, it's a go hard for you dash down Deva Bratt like how you dash down the rest of the artists them. It not gonna work, me braver than them. You know that.